Safety training seminars in Antioch. We're at the corner of Lone Tree Way and Davison Drive. We're at 3701 Lone Tree Way at Antioch Business Park. There are plenty of open parking spaces that you can take. Once you find parking, make your way into the building. Again, the address is 3701. You'll come in through the front door, make your way down the hall, and you'll take the first right. Safety training seminars will be on your right side in Suite 4A. Enter the code that was provided to you on the keypad. Once inside, you can choose any station so that you can log in and begin your RQI skill test.